Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in my new video of CAD Draft Techno. In this video, today we learn about the multiline commands, how we use the multiline command, and what is the purpose of multiline command. Before starting my video, I requesting all my viewers, please subscribe my channel and share and like my video, and press the bell icon for get the notification of my new upload video. Today we learn about multiline. In multiline have three options: one, justification, a scale, and style. For style, in my previous video I discussed about the multiline style, how we create the multiline style. Who want to see the multiline style, so I give a link in my description box. You go and check, click on the link and see the multiline style video. So before starting this video, I giving a short description about multiline. What is multiline? Multiline are composed of parallel line called elements. Multiline, we made two parallel lines, means multi means one, more than one, or line means one line. So multiline is a line of more than one line, is called parallel or is called element. Element means two line, means line is called here elements. When you draw a multi-lines, you can use the standard styles. When we draw in AutoCAD, we have one as built default setting in our AutoCAD is called standard style. We using this one, or other is our own creation of multi-line style, which I discussed in my previous video. You can check my previous video. I provide the link in my description box. You can get from there. Previously, you can also change the justification and scale of the multiline before you draw it. We can change our justification means so top, bottom, or center line, or scale means making double. Before we using the multiline, we can change this option, justification and scale. So let's we go to the screen and check how we draw the multiline commands. Go to the draw panel, draw menu, where we see the multiline command. When we click on the multiline commands, we enter the commands. On second option is shortcut key. When we press the ML, we find the multilines. We active the multiline commands, and three option is available. One is justification, second is scale, and third is style. Now we discuss about the justification. Justification is nothing but only a start point from top or from center or from bottom. When we click here or go to just shortcut key J and enter it, and select here same T or top. We select the top means what? When we press the cursor, just we type ML, enter, and go to the justification and select the top, and just we give the peak point. We see our cursor is start from the top, our line is start from the top, and again we go to the another multi-line commands and select justify and select 0. We see the multi-line is start from the center. See, okay, and go to the ML again and justify, select the bottom. We see the our line is start from the multi-line is start from the bottom. So use of this one is where we when we using this one is benefit when we use drawing a column, uh, drawing draw a wall as per column. Suppose I need to draw this one is column. I draw a column, but I need to create a wall from the top face of the wall. If we go to the multi-line and select the justification bottom, but I need the wall from where? From the top. Then I create the wall. What we see, the our wall is created. Our wall end point is up upward from the our requirement. So this option is not applicable for us. Then we go to the multi-line and select the top, and we create the wall. See, our wall face and our column face as a same level. Now we need the wall center from the center of the column. Then we go to the multi-line and just go to the justification and select 0 and enter, and this option is available for us. Now also we go to the another and justification, and from bottom I need the wall from the bottom of the column, so I select it and enter it. See, it's a very useful when we creating a wall according our columns. Now we go to the second option, scale. Scale means what we select this one, we create one multi-line. Now we measure it. I measured it. This one is what, 2 unit, but now I need 3 unit, 3 unit dimension wall. So how we do this one? I select the scale and enter there 3 unit, it appear. We select ML, enter, and go to the scale command, and here already we have 2, but now we need 3. So I type here 3 and enter it, and just I press it. See, our multi-line scale, it come 3 unit. So now last is what, style. Styles. Now we need the styles what we create our new style. Now I need to insert in my drawing. So how we do this one? I go to style and enter the name of the multi-line style which we create before, which I which we create before. I save it in my library. So just I should have to know the name of the file, wha- what file, what name I put in the file. So what I type is 400 mm, 200 mm, and enter it. Now see, I go and drag it. See, see my new multi-line is appear which I created before I use in my another project, or I make a library for my another projects. It is maybe different also, 3 line 4 line. Maybe we also use the uh, window also. We create one window and save it, but in another project, we need the another project, just I insert my multi-line style and paste it. It is save our work time. So hope guys, how you like this video. Please comment us, please comment me how you like this video. We meet in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.